How to make a circuit of operations. In an operations circuit, both internal users of the application and external users can participate. Open the file of the document on which we want to make a circuit of operations, and in the menu on the right available operations, select the option Operations Circuit. We can create a new circuit or use one previously generated and saved. If we have no saved circuit, click on New Operations Circuit. In the Participants tab, select the type of internal or external user, and click on Add Participant. Fill in the fields that the form shows us. To add a new participant to the circuit, we select the type of user, press Add Participant and proceed in the same way. Tab Options. This screen gives us the opportunity to assign specific values to the document involved in the circuit. Tab External Users Information. This information will appear in the email that reaches the external user. Keep in mind that information is common for all users. Tab Usual Circuit. Saves the circuit realized, to reuse in future shipments. Once all the fields are filled out, click on the Send button. XolidoSign Professional. Sign up, and try it for free.